In this video, I will show you how to connect apps or tools to Claude AI on your computer. When you log into Claude AI, go to the Customize option on the left side. From there, click on Connectors and then select the plus icon up top. Then choose Browse Connectors. Here you will see a list of the popular apps that people like to integrate with Claude AI. You can connect things like Gmail, Google Drive, or Microsoft 365. For this example, I will connect to Canva as I use it to design thumbnails and make videos. Click on the Connect button. You will be prompted to link your Canva account here. You will also be able to see what Claude can do if you connect your app. Click on Allow and Canva will be connected to Claude. Now, if I utilize the Canva command, I can integrate Claude to help me make designs for what I need. If you want to connect an app or tool that is not available in the Browse section, you need to go back to the Customize tab, then click on the plus icon and choose Add Custom Connector. From here, give it a name. For Higgsfield, they have a custom API called MCP, where you can copy and paste the URL and put them in the second tab. Once you are done, click Add, then choose Connect, and Claude will want access to your Higgsfield account. Select Allow, and it will be connected to Claude. Thanks for watching.